Hey, welcome back to Master English with Real Conversations. I'm Robbins and I'm here with the brilliant, always on point Emma. How's it going?
Hey, Robbins. I'm feeling good. Today's episode is a fun one because we're hitting two big topics that so many learners ask about: English for travel and how to keep practicing English even when you're on your own.
Yup. If you're planning to travel or even just dreaming about it, today's tips will help you feel way more confident navigating English-speaking countries. And if you're learning solo, no problem, we've got your back there too.
Let's start with travel. The truth is, you don't need perfect English to travel comfortably, but you do need to know some key phrases, especially at places like the airport, hotels, restaurants, and when asking for directions.
For sure, even just knowing how to say, "Excuse me, where is?" or "Can you help me?" goes a long way. You don't need long speeches, you need functional, polite, clear language.
Exactly. Like at the airport, one of the most useful things to say is, "Where is the check-in desk for?" "Airline," or "What gate is my flight at?" Simple, direct, and super helpful.
And in restaurants, you can just say, "Can I see the menu, please?" or "I'd like the chicken sandwich." You don't need to overthink it. And if you're not sure how to say something, pointing and smiling works too.
Totally. Most people are happy to help if you're polite and trying. Just remember phrases like, "Sorry, I don't speak English very well," or "Can you say that more slowly?" Those are lifesavers.
Oh, and one more great one. How much does it cost? You'll need that when shopping or in taxis. Always useful.
And don't forget numbers. Practice 1 to 100 at least for prices, times, and room numbers.
Alright, so let's say you're not traveling yet, but you still want to practice your English, and you're learning completely on your own. What can people do if they don't have a teacher or language partner?
So many things, actually. First one, talk to yourself. I know it sounds weird, but it works. Narrate your day in English like, "I'm making coffee now. After that, I'll go to the store." You're training your brain to think in English.
Yes, that's called self-talk, and it builds fluency fast. Another great one? Record yourself speaking. Just grab your phone, hit record, and talk for 1 minute about your day, then listen back. You'll hear your mistakes and your progress.
And journaling, seriously underrated. Write a few lines every day in English. It could be what you did, how you're feeling, or even your to-do list. It helps with vocabulary, grammar, and thinking clearly.
Also, try the 1-minute story trick. Set a timer and tell a quick story in English, something real or made up. It forces you to think fast and keep going, even if it's not perfect.
I love that one. And here's a fun way to level up: shadowing. You listen to a native speaker, like in a YouTube video or TV show, and try to repeat what they say at the same time. Match their rhythm, pronunciation, and tone. It feels silly, but it's powerful.
Yes, shadowing is one of the best ways to sound more natural. You start absorbing how English feels in your mouth, not just in your head.
And let's not forget good old reading. Even if you're alone, reading out loud helps your pronunciation. It also helps you see how sentences are built. You could read a short article or even your favorite English subtitles.
Exactly. And one final tip: set small challenges, like, "Today I'll use 5 travel phrases," or "I'll describe my lunch in English." Keep it playful. You don't need to be in a classroom to grow.
Not at all. Some of the best English learners I know did 90% of their learning solo. They just stayed consistent. A little bit every day really adds up.
So, whether you're flying to a new country or just practicing in your bedroom, you're on the right track. Keep it practical, keep it real, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Exactly. English is a tool, not a test. Use it to connect, to explore, to have fun. That's what it's really for.
Alright, that's it for today's episode. If you're traveling soon, good luck and don't stress. And if you're practicing solo, you've got this. We believe in you.
Thanks for tuning in. Let us know what you want us to cover next. We're always here for you. Until next time, keep speaking, even if it's just to yourself.
Or your cat, or your plants. Bye everyone.
Bye, safe travels and happy learning.